What's up guys, and today I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial for how to add a channel trailer to your channel and a featured video for returning subscribers, and how to remove or change your profile picture, and how to change or remove your banner image, and how to add a video watermark. And I'm also going to show how to change your channel name and how to add a channel description, and also how to add a contact info. So there's gonna be a lot in this tutorial. So before we go, I would like you to subscribe with all notifications on so you don't miss any of our new videos, and like this video if you enjoy it, and yeah, comment anything below too. Okay, so now you're in your channel and go to customize channel. And for this, you'll see this video spotlight right here, and this is my channel trailer, and this is a featured video for returning subscribers. So what I'm gonna do is remove this video and click publish, and after that I'm gonna add a new video. I'll choose one of my videos, for example this video, and now it's done and you'll see these changes. And if you want to go to the next level for adding a channel trailer, here's a way. So firstly, go to your videos you want to add as a channel trailer, then click edit video, then in visibility, click and choose unlisted and click done. After that, click save, and what you're gonna do is just add this, open a new tab, go to your channel, and now you'll see that that video is not in the uploads anymore, and it's just a channel trailer. So that's a level up. It's more advanced. It's one more level up. So now for the feature video for returning subscribers, it's the same. Like just add and choose whatever videos you want and publish. So you're the creator of this channel, so you won't be able to see that video. Only your subscribers who are returning back to your channel, watching back to your channel, will only see that. So you won't see that, but it's definitely working, and I know. So now I will go to the branding tab. It's time for branding, and for the profile picture, you can choose any picture you want in your file explorer, any picture, and you can either remove this picture or upload a new one, or it's okay if you don't upload anything. And for this banner image right here, you can either change it or remove it. And if you remove it, it's just a blank, but it's okay. And if you remove it, there will be nothing in that area, just a white space area. But if you put it, so yeah, that's the same way. So for this video watermark, what you're gonna do is export something. Like for example, I'm gonna do this remedy thing right here, and it will show you a crop and the display time. It will let you choose the display time, like at the end of the video or the custom. So in this way, you can set up your own custom time, or you want your video watermark to be in the entire video, so just click entire video. So yeah, you can either change or remove. So how does a video watermark works, you ask? Well, if you click this video, for example, like if you see this video watermark, it will show subscribe, and to anyone who haven't subscribed to your channel and he's a new person just watching your video, if he click this and if he likes your video, like he will click subscribe by not going into the channel. So that's one good way. So now I'm gonna show how to change your channel name. So for example, I'm gonna change the last name into VFX. So it will change on your channel page also, but I don't want to change it. So just click cancel. And for the channel description, that description will pop up in your about tab. Like this description will pop up and you can write anything in that description. So these are the links. If you haven't watched my link video, be sure to check it out. I'll put that video in the link in description. So contact info. Contact info is basically how your viewers can contact you. So it will show you an email box. So you need to type in your email address So after you type in your email address, in the about page, for details like this will show up, like for business inquiries, and they will see your email account and they could go directly to your email. So by that way, you can brand your channel and more viewers will watch and ask you from your email and send photos or things you ask them to do, like anything from your email. So that's all for today's tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Wait, before we go, I would like you to thank you guys for 60 followers on my TikTok. So my TikTok will be linked in the description, so be sure to check it out. And yeah, that's all for today's tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So bye.